Thanks for joining us tonight. Providing resources to those still reeling from tornadoes that hit the region over Memorial Day weekend. Several organizations are doing just that in Marion County, Arkansas. Color 10's Parker Paget is live in Summit, Arkansas, speaking with those helping provide support today. Parker.
Yeah, Bailey, there's a lot of help available here for the next couple hours or so. Help from FEMA, the Red Cross, the Salvation Army, even the County Office of Emergency Management, trying to help the residents of this county get back on their feet nearly 3 weeks after disaster struck.
We want to give people a chance to come to one place and get as many resources as possible without having to drive to multiple different places all at once.
We have snacks and we have garbage bags.
Organizations are gathered at the Marion County Fairgrounds today handing out supplies in an area that saw widespread damage and 2 deaths.
Some brushes.
It's not just the Red Cross, it is lots of agencies who are all nonprofit and work in disaster relief.
Lori Arnold with the Red Cross says it's not just cleanup kits or food items being dished out, but financial assistance is also available to those who qualify. We have people doing referrals, and we also have people here who are doing spiritual care and emotional support as well as health care, because not only are people losing the things they own, but they've lost medical supplies and they're going through a traumatic experience. Marion County OEM Director Melissa Penn says their office has occupied the county fairgrounds for weeks, filled with resources donated by local residents.
We've had donations upon donations for supplies, hygiene kits, food. As you can see, there's a ton of stuff here. For the last 2 weeks, we've just had it staffed with volunteers and open for anybody who needed it. We've taken resources to the community if they couldn't make it to us.
Leaders with the Red Cross tell me that there will be a similar resource outlet tomorrow in Mountain Home, Arkansas, and you can find out more details as when and where with this story online at ozarksfirst.com. Reporting live in Marion County, Arkansas, Parker Paget, Color 10 News.